It's a shark.
Look at that
It's a
fish.
shark.
Shark.
Shark, baby shark.
Shark.
This side also one.
Oh, baby shark.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Maldives.
That one.
Yes.
Baby
also.
shark.
Yes.
Yeah.
Baby shark, Tio. Dagan kay Tio.
It's become big. Where
That's
did it
whale
go?
shark? What kind of shark?
This is the lip shark.
Dangerous, huh?
No.
If they become big, but where they go?
They don't bite
They go-
people? They don't bite?
We can go fishing here. Why we need to pay money? Hurry.
Mansari, oh? Stingray?
Yes.
This is illegal.
If we catch this
Not
one.
allowed.
Here. Here.
It's okay.
Shark and stingray. That is not allowed.
It's not allowed to.
Yeah.
Hi, Stinky.
We go down.
Ayaw din.
No, go ya.
Kami ng bag din, be. Kami ng bag. Baka matagak na, be. Matagak, anak.
Shark.
Very nice view. We were enjoying sunset here in Maldives.
Wow, how many.
Philippines, very difficult to see that.
In Philippines,
You need to go diving.
we go first 3 hours before we go to whale shark, very big also. Wow,
But here,
dolphin, like a dolphin.
big shark also. They have also here.
Yes. But this not the other one is stingray.
Oh, stingray also more.
Yeah,
Asa?
So they have many big stingray here also.
yes.
Hala, stingray. Lahi ang it's different stingray.
Yes.
Asa manday?
Sa manina galakaw.
Jampo na mo
Asa
ba?
may stingray?
Ug natos papapiko no
Mantari is
pauna niya
different, right?
te.
Yes.
Mantari and stingray is different.
Yes.
But almost same.
Hello, we are here in Maldives. Ate,
Uy, ato na ko kijampaw ba kay
Ate.
ato nang panihapon. Hi. Ato nang
Enjoying our
kijampaw ba
sunset
kay ato nang asok ba?
Philippines, we eat that one.
My brother is amazed.
Bangladesh also eat that one.
Huh? Bangladesh also. But here don't eat.
Sungod.